Oreo sandwich cookies is the best one.
You want what?
Vanilla.
Yeah, you got
Vanilla.
Pepperidge Farm. Let's see what other cookies you're gonna get. I got a big jar to put them in. I want to put the cookies in a big jar. This is okay, but I'm tired of these.
Yeah, me too.
Let me see. Let's get sandwiches over here.
Where's the Vienna? I don't like Vienna. They don't put enough cream in it.
What? The one over here, Oreos, I can't find the one with the cream.
Yeah, here's the one with cream. I don't like it. They don't put enough of it.
Okay. You don't like Vienna too much?
No.
Vienna fingers?
I like Oreos cream.
Yeah, but I can't find Oreos vanilla.
I can't find it either. It looked like they ran out.
No, or they replaced it on something else.
Yeah. Because I want to go.
Oreos okay, but I'm tired of it. Okay, let's go over here then and look for another sandwich cookie. To fill the jar. Here we go. That's classic cookies. I never heard that one before. That's like a peanut chocolate choco stripes. What do you think about that one?
You get what you want. I already got Pepperidge. That's my favorite.
Okay, besides Pepperidge, you already got that. Let's get some more for the jar. I want to get the jar. How about get sandwiches? How many look?
I'm not too picky with cookies, so I only like Pepperidge one.
Huh? Oh, here, you got some over here. Strawberry, vanilla. How about this? Festival vanilla, vanilla. What do you think? Put in the jar. You think so?
Yeah, sounds good.
It's up to you. What do you think?
Got lemon too? Get lemon.
Where?
Lemon is nice to get.
Where's lemon?
Right. Oh, here's lemon.
You want to get that too?
Yeah.
We get that, and we get. How about chocolate then? This chocolate one here.
Check the price first.
It's
$3.
$2.99. You want this one?
Oh, I don't know about that.
No. Oh,
Vanilla and I like
what's this? Chinky. I know I had a Chinky. Oh, come over here. This is new.
Let me go.
Yeah, why are you in a hurry for?
I'm
What
in a
about
hurry
this?
Because Jesse's waiting in the park.
What about this?
What the hell is this?
It's called a Chikey or Chicky
It
or.
looks boring.
Huh? It has sandwiches, have chocolate in the middle.
Oh.
Yeah, what do you think? I don't know how you pronounce it. Let me see. Chucky.
It's covered.
Chicky.
It's chocolate
Yeah,
covered.
It's covered, but vanilla with chocolate cover. It's up to you.
I know. Really, it's up to you.
Virginia, I'll get it if you want to get it. What the heck's this? Ulger. Yeah, Latin in the back.
There's more down here.
There's more down here. There's more over here too. Okay. See more a sandwich, chocolate sandwiches. How about this one? You want that one? Here, look it. Let me show it to you.
Jesse, for that get
I'm asking you. Yeah, but why won't you Oreos if I can get something now? I'm tired of Oreos all the time, yeah. You know, you get tired of things all the time. I like something new. What do you say? I'll tell you what, go and get the milk.
Let me get the milk.
Yeah, go and go to the milk. I want you to have fun. Have fun getting the milk. Go and get the milk and I'll have fun looking for the cookies. Let me see. 3, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I can get more. I'm trying to get more for the cookies. I got a nice jar for cookies. That's like a peanut choco stripes, but you don't get too much. You only get a little bit. Small box. I want a big box. Let me see. You know, look, I'm looking for Keebler's fudge. I can't find it. I cannot find Keebler's fudge. That tastes real good. Let me see. Oh, here, this one here. Fudge clam. Let me see. That's not too bad. fudge graham. Let me see this one. Ah, double stuff. I may get this. $3.99, $4. No, $5 for this one. I may get it. Let me see this one. All these cookies, look at that. Cookie down there, cookie over here. Let me see, 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20 right there. And cookies, not bad. And Pepperidge Farm, that costs about what, $5? That's $25. Let me see if I can get another cookie. Wheat bran. I don't eat wheat bran. Who wants wheat bran? I gotta pick another cookie. All right. I'll pick one and put it in the jar later on. All right. Coming to you from the city where I live. Over and out.